in today's lecture we will came to know that how to memorize the D block elements in a very easy way. In the previous lecture we have studied some tricks about S block and P block elements. Today we will learn the tricks about the D block elements. So as you are seeing, these are the D block elements which are situated between S and P block. ठीक है, on the left side there is S block elements and on the right side there are P block elements. So D block elements are divided into four main series which are known as first transition series, second transition series, third and fourth transition series. So we will learn the tricks turn by turn according to the different transition series. So this is the complete representation of the periodic table. This is your D block, group number 3 to 12. On the left side there are S block and on the right side there are P block elements. ठीक है जी, हाँ जी. So this is your first transition series. It starts from scandium and ends up with zinc with atomic number 21 to 30. This series involves the filling of 3d orbital. In this case 3d orbital is filled. ठीक है बच्चे. D block elements have general electronic configuration n-1 d 1 to 10 ns 1 to 2. So in this case 3d orbital is being filled. So scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. So this is our first transition series. We can learn it in a very easy way as Sachin Tendulkar. ठीक है, चलो we will prefer to write in English. Sachin Tendulkar is a very crazy man. So first 5 elements we can learn in this way. Sachin Tendulkar is a very crazy man. Next 5 elements: free coaching to Nikhil's cousin. ठीक है, actually cousin COUSIN, but here we will use COZN, cousin. So first transition series can be easily remembered in this way. Sachin Tendulkar is a very crazy man. Free coaching to Nikhil's cousin. ठीक है बेटा. Sachin, S for scandium, T for titanium, V for vanadium, C R crazy, M stands for manganese, F stands for iron or you can say ferrous, C O cobalt, nickel, Ni stands for nickel, copper. ठीक है, we can also write it as Cu. ठीक है, cousin. We have to pronunciate it together, cousin. Cu for copper, Zn for zinc. ठीक है. So this is the easiest way to remember first transition series which involves the filling of 3d orbital. Here the configuration is 3d1 and here the configuration will be 3d10 and atomic number varies from 21 to 30. So next is second transition series which starts from yttrium and ends up with cadmium. Yttrium to cadmium with atomic number 39 to 48. Atomic number 39 to 48. It involves the filling of 4d orbital. This is our second transition series which involves the filling of 4d orbital and its atomic number varies from 39 to 48. This series can be remembered as यारी ज़रा निभाना, यारी ज़रा निभाना, मौत तक, रुकावटें, रुकावटें, राहों में पड़ी, आगे चलकर। ठीक है बच्चे, यारी ज़रा निभाना, मौत तक, रुकावटें राहों में पड़ी, आगे चलकर। ठीक है, here Y stands for yttrium, Z stands for zirconium, N stands for niobium, MO stands for molybdenum, T stands for technetium, RU stands for ruthenium, RH stands for rhodium, P stands for palladium, A stands for silver and C stands for कैडमियम। ठीक है, यारी ज़रा निभाना, मौत तक, रुकावटें राहों में पड़ी, आगे चलकर। ठीक है बच्चा, दिस इज अवर सेकेंड ट्रांजिशन सीरीज विच इन्वॉल्व्स द फिलिंग ऑफ 4d ऑर्बिटल एंड इट्स एटॉमिक नंबर वेरीज फ्रॉम 39 to 48. So next is our third transition series. So in third transition series, our first element is with atomic number 57 and element is lanthanum. Afterward there is a break from atomic number 58 to 71. ठीक है, this break involves the F block elements which are combinedly known as lanthanoids or first series of F block, that is lanthanoid series. After 57 the atomic number is 72 and it ends up with atomic number 80. One thing you have to remember is that each transition series involved 10 elements because d orbitals are 5 in number and each d orbital can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons. ठीक है बेटा, so there are 10 elements in each transition series. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So it starts from atomic number 57, then there is a break 58 to 71 in the form of lanthanoid series, and afterwards it starts with the 72 and ends up with the atomic number 80. This series involves the filling of 5d orbital. Clear? Third transition series involves the filling of 5d orbital. So its elements name are lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and your mercury. ठीक है बेटा, hafnium, sorry, first is lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and silver. Clear? So this can be remembered as La हफ्ता, वरना, रीना और इंदर पिटेंगे और जाएंगे हॉस्पिटल। बेटा हफ्ता, यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ हफ्ता, ठीक है, जो शॉपकीपर से 1 वीक के बाद पैसे लिए जाते हैं उसको बोलते हैं हफ्ता। ला हफ्ता, वरना रीना और इंदर पिटेंगे और जाएंगे हॉस्पिटल. ला स्टैंड्स फॉर लैंथेनम. हफ्ता H stands for hafnium. Tantalum W stands for tungsten. RE rhenium. और O से प्रोनाउंसिएट हो रहा है, we can write also as OR. और ठीक है, so you can relate O with this osmium. ठीक है, और इंदर पिटेंगे, P stands for पिटेंगे, और AU stands for gold, H stands for hospital. ला हफ्ता वरना रीना और इंदर पिटेंगे और जाएंगे हॉस्पिटल. So this is our third transition series. Next is our fourth transition series. This is our fourth transition series. Here again first element is actinium with atomic number 89. Then there is a break from 90 to 103. This stands for second series of F block elements, that is actinoids. ठीक है, afterward this D block elements starts from 104 and ends up with 112. ठीक है, 89 then break 90 to 103, again 14 elements of F block. Then it starts from 104 atomic number and ends up with atomic number 112. ठीक है, so their names are actinium, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, bohrium, hessium, midnionium, darmstadium, this is rontgenium, and this is your copernicium. Again I am repeating: actinium, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, bohrium, hessium, myitnium, darmstadium, robertsenium, and last is copernicium. ठीक है, so it can be remembered as अच्छा R.D. Sharma. R.D. Sharma is a famous author of maths book. R.D. Sharma की बुक में हैं मैथ्स के डिफ़िकल्ट रेंज के कोन्स. ठीक है, वन थिंग आई फॉरगेट इज इट इन्वॉल्व्स अ फिलिंग ऑफ 6d ऑर्बिटल. ठीक है, आवर फोर्थ ट्रांजिशन सीरीज इन्वॉल्व्स अ फिलिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन 6d ऑर्बिटल. सो अच्छा R.D. शर्मा की बुक में है मैथ्स के डिफ़िकल्ट रेंज के कोन्स. हियर A stands for actinium, R stands for rutherfordium, D stands for dubnium, S stands for seaborgium, B stands for bohrium, H stands for hafnium, M stands for midnium, D stands for darmstadium, R stands for robertsenium, and C stands for copernicium. Clear? So these are the some tricks to remember the D block elements in easy way. I hope you have enjoyed it and you will learn the D block elements in a very easy way.